Now to actually update the user's preference, we'll use a server action called update locale, which takes one parameter, the locale. This is the general layout I've been using for server actions. We check for authorization and then we try the database queries. Additionally, for this case, I make sure that the locale is supported. The database update is straightforward. We call an update request on the user model with the user ID from the session and locale as the only data. On the front end, depending on the current locale, we display the appropriate flag as the button. And when the user clicks on either option, we call the server action with the associated locale, and then we refresh the router. Alright, let's give this a test. Let's change our language to French. Oh, we can see a quick refresh, and the app is translated. Very cool, perfect.